Well, hello, everybody. It's Tammy Langowski, intuitive advisor to your questions. I haven't been on for a while on Tammy's channel chat, so thank you for viewing. And thank you to all of you who subscribe to this channel. Many, many thanks to that. So I'm finally getting to a question that somebody had posed to me some time ago, WJ Hammer. It's publicly posted, so I'm just referencing WJ Hammer. Thank you so much for the question. And it's one that many of us wonder. I have talked about number combinations and seeing numbers frequently, same numbers, that kind of thing from, and what they mean and all that stuff. So, but I will read the question first. So the question is, when we see triple numbers like 555 or 333 or even 1111, I read that these are science messages from our guides and maybe angels too. How are we supposed to interpret their meaning? Sometimes I see three different sets of triple numbers in a day. That's cool. So is that just for them to say, hi, we're here? Or do we need to research, she's just wondering, do we need to research the meanings behind what each triple number means, excuse me, in order to interpret the message? Okay, so opening up. Okay, I can talk to this easily, but I'm going to go ahead and open up to our guides on that. So guides, seeing numbers when we see them out there, the triple numbers, just number combinations. And they'll do that whenever they're saying that's us. That's us. That is what they said. That is us. We love to get your attention through numbers. Because why? Because you see numbers all the time. You're very aware of numbers. You look at clocks. You look at your phone. Numbers they're telling me they're out and about everywhere you go. If you go out, you're seeing addresses. You're seeing, numbers. I don't know, could be they're telling me like a sort of like a flyer or something. They're everywhere. You see numbers everywhere. So guess what? We love to take advantage of that and get your attention to combinations so that you kind of go, oh, isn't that funny? I mean, some of you really get it and they're like, oh yeah, that's awesome, thanks. But they're saying it will catch your eye. And that is our goal, is to be able to say hello. So yes, it is hello, a way to say hi, and that we're with you, that we never really leave you, because you see, the more that you are aware, the more that you notice our combinations. Okay, I like that, guys. Thank you. And they have told me this before. So we might have done another chat on the numbers before. So you can look for it. It's familiar. Okay. So guides, why the triple numbers? Why, so I'll say specifically, do the triple numbers mean something more than, like 919, which is one I see a lot? No, not necessarily. We just have fun with them. And the triple, they said, think of it as a bonus, like a bonus number when you see the triple numbers. Woohoo! Yeah, we're excited about that. And what would you want us to know when we're noticing those specific, like 555, 333? Because we're getting your attention in a really simplified way. Okay, I get it now. So they're showing me those kind of number combinations, the triples, it's easier in a sense for them, and it's something you cannot deny. Somebody else could not look at 919 and think much about it. Excuse me. But indeed, it is something. So do know that when you are seeing the triple numbers, it's just an easier way for us to catch your eye. And then the other number combinations, the same, pretty much the same. We do it any way that we can. I see my son's birth numbers a lot. See my birth numbers a lot, uncannily so. I mean, eerily so. The strangest of things, I think one time I was even watching TV and like the commentator, or I don't know if it was a newscast or a news weather person, I don't know what it was, but anyway, it was funny. They were standing there and behind them I could see my birth numbers. But you see, the more that I'm aware of that, the more that I'm getting it. So it's a hug. They just showed me. It's a hug from us. It's just a reminder to let you know that yes, this exists, that we do exist. Should we be concerned about what the numbers mean? No. Oh, I'm getting no. Now, there are lots of ideas about this, they said, of what 1111 angels. Well, yes, of course. But we get you in all number combinations. So sure, if you want to attach angel numbers as 1111, they're excited about that. Sounds good to us. Sounds good. Because regardless, we're getting your attention. So again, it doesn't mean so much that we have to go look for what the meaning of that combination could be of 919 or whatever it might be. Nope, not at all. Really, it is just our way of being able to tap you on the shoulder and get your attention. It's not always easy to do, you see. So when we have number combinations, we put those out to you. So not so much about what does that combination mean. Again, there are some people who really are interested in that and go for it. Nothing wrong with that if you're really interested in numerology or anything like that, and you're seeing combinations. And if it resonates, that's what I would say. Thank you. If it resonates, if you're seeing a combination and you, let's say you look it up, online, and if it resonates for you, the meaning, then take it. Yeah, if it's positive and resonates for you, then by all means. But it's more that we, got your attention, that you're not alone, that it isn't just the earth plane that you're on here. There is more to your existence and your world on a daily basis. So do keep an eye out for the number combinations. Okay, thank you. I hope that answered that question for you and made sense. Now, this was another viewer who had sent in some many questions for me. So I'm kind of going down the list here. And I will make this one brief. This one is about how many parallel lives can you have? Many. Almost heard many lives, many masters. You can have several parallel lives, not just one or two. You can have many at the same multitasking. They said that's kind of funny. Okay, many splits or echoes. I'm not sure what that's about. It's a term I'm not aware of. Does this change for different roles? No. So parallel lives are all around you all the time. You are living in different dimensions. There is so much more than meets the eye here. So you can have many. I'm going to go more with that, okay, in answering that question. So they are saying there is not just one parallel life. That's why now when I talk about past lives, I say / parallel lives, because who really knows if it's something that I'm, or my clients living simultaneously with this one. It could be a past life, so to speak. It could be a parallel life. Doesn't really matter. It's kind of something you're learning from and you're experiencing or have experienced. So anyway, that's what I'm getting for today. I'll make it brief. Thank you again. Do send in any questions that, if this makes you think about something else, even a spinoff to these questions, send them in. And thank you so much. Remember to hit the notification, subscribe, please. I love your subscribes, and maybe hit that notification so you do know when a new one comes up. I'm not doing these all the time. It's when I kind of have time and I have a question. So again, thank you, W.J. Hammer, for your patience in hearing this message. Take care, everybody. Have a fabulous day.